Hello, Terry Story here. Are you looking to elevate your real estate game and thrive in any market? I'm bringing you two powerful classes that are going to help you succeed. One, win-win with negotiations, and two, pricing is a strategy. Now, whether you're a solo agent, part of a team, or just starting out, these classes are for you. They're designed to give you the tools and strategies to navigate in today's market with confidence. So, what are we going to learn in win win negotiations? We're going to learn how to prepare negotiations, master proven tactics, and create outcomes where everybody wins. So, from working with buyers or sellers or collaborating with those co agents, this class is going to help you secure deals and that benefit all parties. Now, when pricing is a strategy, you're going to discover that pricing is a strategy in a shifting market. We're going to learn how to analyze market data, stay ahead of the trends, guide you and the sellers to a more informed decision that leads to faster sales and more sales. These classes aren't just about learning, they're about taking action. You're going to walk away with practical strategies, proven models, and confidence to implement them right away. So don't miss this opportunity to sharpen your skills, grow your business, and I look forward to seeing you then. Bye.